I'm Rob Barris, and I'm principal with MODUS Planning, Design and Engagement, and I'm here with a set of colleagues, experts in urban design and placemaking. We've been retained by the City of Penticton to develop a set of design guidelines, really called Development Permit Area Guidelines, that are designed to really guide the form and character of new development as it occurs in Penticton.
The gathering of people, the celebration of people, the ephemeral public art kind of event here.
Last night we had a public presentation, a lecture on urban design and some perspectives on the importance of urban design and design guidelines. We also heard from city planners telling us about the OCP process. And we had an opportunity for the public to engage with a panel of experts, ask questions, make some comments.
We're not making master plans or even sub-master plans. We're setting up the prospect of citizens taking ownership and pride in their community.
We're going through a fascinating time in the city's development right now. The last 5 to 6 years, we've seen a significant amount of development activity in the city.
There are already some draft land use categories, so we're not here to revisit any of that. What we are here to do is to try and turn some of those aspirations into design direction and design guidelines. So we're starting to sketch out some ideas about design guidelines for multifamily residential, for hillside development, for downtown, for mixed-use development, and for intensive residential as well. So we're doing some of that early thinking. We're making a list of the diagrams that we're going to create. We're thinking about how does it relate to the land use categories of the OCP. So city planners have already gone through quite a process and developed a draft land use plan. So these guidelines are in support of that. And so part of today was inviting in a group of stakeholders, the OCP task force and staff from the city, and kind of going through some of the issues, some of the opportunities, some of the unique elements of the character of Penticton, and helping us understand that so we can reflect it back in a set of guidelines that really enhances that unique character. So on Saturday, Gyro Park, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., there will be an opportunity for the public to see some of the work that we've been doing. So it will be presented in the form of a series of display boards, a pin-up of those drawings and design guidelines. So we'd love the public to come out and have a look at that and give us comments and feedback on what they see.